The Manipur Legislative Assembly, through an unanimous resolution adopted on 5 August 2022, had urged the Registrar General and the Census Commissioner of India to include Sanamahi as a separate religious category. The resolution reflects not only the collective voice of states' elected representatives, but also the long-standing sentiments of the Meitei community, for whom Sanamahi is an indigenous and ancient faith with unique religious practice, rituals, and cultural heritage. Despite repeated appeals from scholars, civil society organizations, community leaders, and religious boards or authority like Langtong Sanamahi Temple Board and Uttarakhand Sanakonung, etc., the absence of an independent enumeration code for Sanamahi has led to misrepresentation and a dilution of the religious identity of its followers. Thousands of individuals continue to identify with Sanamahi in practice, yet have no appropriate category to record their faith in the census schedule. Recognizing Sanamahi as a distinct religion would ensure accurate demographic representation, safeguard cultural heritage, and uphold the constitutional principles of religious freedom and identity. So I urge upon the government to include Sanamahi as a separate religion in the census of India and issue a clear directives to the census authorities accordingly. Thank you, sir.